Today we're fixing a custom build and we need rubber gloves to fix this thing because it has black stuff all over the place. He said that he heard a pop while his computer was on and then it turned off. It never turned on again. And it sounded to me like something blew a fuse and it looked like something burnt up inside the power supply and it's not working. So then I replaced the power supply and try a new power supply and give this thing a deep cleaning with my team. And we cleaned it up to make it nice, new, and shiny with that little bitty graphics card in it.
Subscribe or else.